Hello everyone, my name is Stone.
My name is Alex.
Today we make an introduction for our high voltage battery. Okay, so now we open the package to introduce the packing list. On the package top, we print this side up, right? This side up, and here is open here. So we open this side to cut out. And on the package top, have the screw. For a while, we will introduce the wiring. Okay, and the battery has the plastic. And here is the positive and the negative.
From the base cover, we can see have the positive and the negative port and high voltage risk. And here is the data sheet. It's the warning information. Okay, from the model is 5150. Normal voltage is 51.2 voltage. Capacity is 50S. The normal energy is 2.56,000, and the rated current is 38, and the temperature is under 0 to the up 50. We have the QV and the CE certificate. It's a first screw. We can see have the screw and this is a BMS communication line. This is downlink line. This is the earth ground, the PE line, the connector, and here is the positive, the cables, negative cables, and have some the screw here, and the connector.